So here we are with... Introduce yourself.
Introduce myself. I thought you all know me.
I know you, but the people watching this don't know who you are.
Yeah, my name is Norbert Shamuyarira. I was born in 1962, Shona district. What else do you want to know?
What else do I want to know? Who did you work with? How did you learn to sculpt?
Yeah, I started working with Bernard Takwera in 1979, 1980, somewhere there.
Okay.
I stayed with him for 5 years. After 5 years, we did part and I started on my own.
Okay.
Yes.
So, would you say you're second generation artist?
Yeah, I am second generation.
Okay. And have you traveled much around the world?
I would not say much, but I've been to America, to Germany, to France, South Africa. Yeah.
Okay, that's quite a bit. That's not bad. And so, what type of work do you like sculpting? What kind of pieces?
Yeah, I like the
What's your
pieces.
style?
My style.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what you mean by by the style. But what I like on sculptures, I like sculptures which do put across the serious messages, nice messages.
Yeah, yours do have a story, hey, and good titles and good, background with them,
Yeah.
for sure. So this is your house. This is where you stay,
Yes.
and we're in Chichingwiza right now. This is Norbert's youngest one and my one together. Hello. And Norbert's studio. So Norbert, who buys your work? Who's currently promoting you? Apart from Zimsculpt, of course. You can say everybody who you work with.
It's to be honest with you, it's like there are many.
Many.
There are many.
Numerous. You're lucky. You've got lots of followers, but I suppose after years of working, then that's good. Yeah, that's what happens. So how many children have you got? People like to know this stuff.
I have
You're laughing because I know it, but everybody watching this, they're complete strangers and they want to see you and know you and get to know you a little bit. Because when I sell your pieces, I say, I wish Norbert was here. He could chat to you because he's a real character. That's it. And this is kind of showing everybody what a wonderful character you are.
I have 4 kids.
4 kids.
3 boys, 1 girl.
And how many wives?
Wives? I have 1.
Yeah, you have 1.
Yeah.
And she's lovely.
Yeah,
And she's in town right now. Shame.
Yeah, I wish she was here.
Yeah, I wish she was here as well. She'd be laughing at you. Let me do a scan of it. So this is Norbert's work. You definitely have your own individual, unique style, hey?
Yeah.
This is such a lovely piece. Okay, Norbert, thank you very much. Huh? You have another one over there? Want me to have a look in? Okay. Bye.